Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. It's Bino. I got something special for y'all today. I got an unboxing. I ordered a pair of shoes about 3 weeks ago off of Goat. It's my first time um, using the service, so it's going to be kind of like I guess, like a first impressions review type thing too. But more so, I'm just here to show you the shoes that I got. Um, I've been wanting these shoes for a while now. Not these specific ones, but the last model before this year's came out, and that was back in 2017. The originals came out in 2014, but I started getting into sneakers around 2017. One of my friends that I met while we were taking Japanese together kind of put me onto sneakers because he was always looking fly. So yeah, he kind of was talking to me about shoes, kind of introduced me a little bit to it. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's get started. I have the package right here with my trusty butter knife. I don't have I have one of those like knives that people got, but yeah, we'll see. Let's see what we got here. The package came yesterday, and I could have gotten the shoes a lot earlier, but there was something wrong with them, and the original seller was offering me a discount, but I decided to hold off. It's my first time, like I said, first time using the service, so I kind of wanted to hold off and see what was going to happen with them. But yeah, right now so far it's just a shoebox inside the regular brown box, shipping box. So let's go ahead and take a look. Box is nice. I don't think you can see it yet. Yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. Tape is kind of, the figure's kind of, yeah, so if you check them out, they're the Carmines. Like I said, I've been wanting these since 2014. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at them. Pull out both of them. See what came in. We got this little thing. I guess it's like a checklist to make sure everything's right. And then they gave us a sticker. So I guess that's cool. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the sneakers. Now this is the main thing that I wanted to check to make sure that they're not bleeding through, and this one kind of is. That was kind of like the default that came, or the defect that came with these shoes. They were kind of bleeding through. They're not too bad, but still, I mean, I'm gonna wear them. They're gonna get dirty. I don't really care. I don't really mind. But yeah, they look nice. They look good. They look clean. And like I said, I've been wanting these since 2014. So I'm excited to put them on, try them out with different outfits and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I'll cut back. I'll try to get some shots of just the shoes by themselves. I'm gonna try to set them up really nice and kind of see what I'm on, because I need to try them out. I've actually haven't owned any pair of Jordans, so I'm also kind of gambling with the size. I got them in a size 11. So far I've been size 11 in everything that I've gotten except for Air Force Ones. Air Force Ones I'm like 10 and a half. I got the lemonade Air Max ones. So those I'm an 11, and I got the Jordan Air Cadence, and those ones I should have gone half a size up. I got them in 10 and a half, and I can wear them comfortably, but definitely an 11 would have been a lot better. But yeah, these are pretty chill. I may or may not ever buy resale, and yes, these are resale. These are probably going to be the only shoes that I'm ever going to pay resale for. And I'm actually glad that I checked the prices that week that I bought them, because they've been up at like 270, 280 pretty much since they came out. And the day I bought them, they were at like 250, and I kind of wish I would have waited one more day, because I think they even dropped down to like 240 for my size. But last I've checked, they've been going back up. So yeah, again, if I don't wear them, now I'm gonna wear them. What's it called? Yeah, I mean, these are fresh. These are sick, and yeah, I've been wanting them, like I said, forever. So I'm really happy with the shoes. But yeah, this is probably going to be the only time that I pay resale. There's some other ones that I want, but they're like $500. They were the Jordan ones, the chameleon ones. Those are nice. But $500, I could do so much more with $500. Like, it's not even a joke. But yeah, that's just my short little unboxing vid. I'm gonna take some pics of them and try to make this video a little bit nicer and up the production value. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed that. So see you soon. Peace.